Hello fellow investors, the stock market is on a sell-off. It is like fire burning everywhere. I literally got a text off an NHS professional doctor and she said she's very worried about the next variant of coronavirus and hence you can see the VIX going unstable. So stick with me on this video today. I want to give you a lowdown what I think of the market today. Hello family, how is everybody doing? Today I really want to go run through what I see on the market, sharing my point of view. So before I begin, I just want to say that I spoke on Wednesday about the stock market, saying that it is not the time to buy. There was a bit of a fake bullish run. I spoke to everybody saying do not believe the market even though the news is selling it, and hence now we are seeing that coronavirus, the next variant, is actually playing a huge risk on to the market. It's causing a sell-off. To me personally, I just want to clearly run through that this is a good reason, a valid reason for institutional investors to take money off the plate, to be risk off. Because end of the day, they have been up on a great run throughout the whole year on the Tesla, AMD, Apple, and all the hypergrowth stocks. So this is a valid reason to take a risk off and forget about the Santa rally and then evaluate the process while watching what everybody else is doing. Example, are we going to be going to lockdown? Are we going to stop all the planes flying again? Are we going to go back on our Peloton bikes for the remainder of the next 6 months? So let me begin with the VIX. The VIX looks like it's over 25. And last time on Wednesday, I showed you this chart. I said I'm not convinced. Why? Because I don't see a top candle rejection. When I say a rejection is when you see a candle, a very high wick, meaning it tries to go all the way up, but it fails, it gets rejected, people are pushing it down because people are buying the stocks on the dip. I don't see that sentiment, I don't see institution doing that until I see that beautiful candle of a long stick, as you can see on this chart here. Then I think it might look like a bottom. But for now, the VIX will be on the high, will be soaring. It is a Friday, it is Thanksgiving weekend. We're gonna wait for Monday and Tuesday for more news. And in fact, even today, I even told my wife to get the cash ready. She's been asking me for the last 4 weeks, can I buy on the market? Can I buy on the market? I've been ignoring her. I said, no, I can't see anything. I can't see any buy triggers. Please, nothing. And I told her on the door, through the window today, I said, get ready the cash. We might be deploying. Get ready. And the thing I noticed is, one, she's got so much more cash than me. I hope she gets me a nice present. And two, be ready, because if there was a bounce, you'll be quick. But if there's no bounce until we get a proper news, then we have to wait a bit more. But overall, the market should be positive. Remember, we are here on the recovery. The variant is a risk, but we're still monitoring. Remember, the news media are using this as a tactic to try to shake the market. So look at this chart, this list of stocks here. It's really funny, yeah? Last week's the banks, the travel, the oil looks incredibly strong because we're hoping go on recovery. But with one news about a potential spark of variant, everything just turns it around. To me, the banks, the institution bank looks attractive. The Goldman Sachs, the Morgan Stanley, looks really attractive. Goldman Sachs at 385. I like that stocks. They've done well with the COVID. They've done well outside of the COVID. So going at 385, I think that's a bargain. I would actually consider that stocks. But looking at the oil and the travel, I would try to steer away, except for A, B, and B, which is still a potential good play. But obviously, A, B, and B, it needs to be a good price. At the end of the day, we want companies that actually make revenue, make sales, makes profit. And this company are hoping to expect to make money in future. Try to stay away just now. Okay, the second batch of stocks is the hypergrowth stocks. Back on Wednesday, live session, I said that some of these stocks have been oversold, but some we have to wait. But it looks like they might be opportunity, because if any rebound that's coming up next week, it would be the hypergrowth stocks that's coming up. So something that you need to look at the hypergrowth stocks, or watch my last video on which one I spoke to, and some of them has been severely oversold. And two ones I look at is SEA Limited and Square, and incredible, they're really cheap because they've dropped from high. So if you own those, consider buying on the dip. But then again, be patient dollar cost average down. And the other stocks that I would like to speak about is the stay-at-home stocks. Be careful about those. You know, the likes of Pelotons, like Zoom. Folks are getting burned because they dropped. But today, look at them. They're back up again. Like, whoa, we're going to go into lockdown, baby. Well, you just need to be careful. So all of you who's holding that stocks, who wants to get away, take this as an opportunity. If Monday it goes up higher, take an opportunity to take profit and leave them. Zoom, Peloton, remember, it becomes like a one-trick pony. They cannot survive if everything goes to recover. And finally, I want to speak about the stocks that I hold, the stocks that I like, okay? Coinbase looks attractive at 300. I don't have to tell you about it. The next quarter earnings will be beguzzing. What's beguzzing? I don't know. Amazing. And next, Nvidia and AMD. A couple of folks have been texting me, said, is it time to buy? I think AMD and Nvidia still look a bit too high. I like Nvidia when it's about 280. I might be too ambitious. I like AMD at 140. I might be too ambitious. But if there was a real dip round about that 290, 280 zone, 140, 150 zone, I think they'll bounce back up. Because remember, there are bots that set by traders that will buy on these levels. So you need to be faster than these bots, okay? Tesla, I'm not buying Tesla until it hits 950. Will it hit? I don't know, because it's easy profit to take for institution to go, okay, let's take some Tesla profit. 950 or not, I'm not buying Tesla until then. But again, Tesla, great company. I'm not going to undermine them. And finally, I really want to talk about DarkTrace really quickly. DarkTrace is going through a lot of negative sentiment. DarkTrace has been dipped down and everybody's putting up their flag. Said Peel Hunt has won, Alex, you have lost. Peel Hunt was right about the 460 price target. All I'm saying is I've checked. Yes, one thing that investors in the UK don't like is the fact that DarkTrace have not made money, but they decide to put their logo on a Formula One vehicle, saying, why are you marketing and spending 10% on research? Folks don't like that. But if this was in America, DarkTrace would be... Marketing is king in America, but in the UK, for some bizarre reason, everybody's a bit old-fashioned. Negative news about one of their board members going to court. Again, Mike Lynch, or Mr. Lynch himself, that is posing a negative, but he doesn't do anything for the company. He doesn't run the company. I don't know why people have to play that negative sentiment. But okay, fine. What you really need to hear is the great news, okay? The good news is they've signed 2 major contracts. One of them is the world's largest investment management firm signs major contracts with DarkTrace. That's great. They didn't reveal who it was, but then again, business in America. And secondly, they also signed with South American top 10 telecoms company to apply their products because they are the fastest deployment out there. So business as usual. Poppy and team is doing great deal of work. When do you buy? I said I'll buy anything under 560, but because I'm in crypto, I'm not buying it. But I've not sold a single stock. I'm holding, and if I do buy any of the stocks, this will be the first stocks that I buy in. So this is me, special segment on DarkTrace right at the end, but I hope you guys enjoy it. So I just want to ask a favor, like and subscribe, and if I get more than 250 likes, I will do a live session on Sunday where I will share buy triggers of the specific stocks. I can do it today because I can go over too long, but if you guys give me 250 likes, I will come live session on the Sunday evening in the UK and give you drop down buy triggers on specific stocks. But if not, my patrons will be getting this anyway because I'm doing the homework for my team members. But other than that, live session, ask me anything. 250 likes now and then we're gonna watch that video, and then hopefully I'll share more with you before the market opens on a Monday.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out our website link below. More videos up here.
Bye.
Bye.